What is a sealed transmission? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, that's a great question because I don't think I've ever seen a sealed transmission. And I think the misconception comes from the fact that it used to be all automatic transmissions had a dipstick that you checked, just like you check an engine. But many of the manufacturers have gotten away from that. And so what we have now is the transmissions will have either a fill plug where you fill up to that level, or some might even have a little tiny dipstick in the side of the transmission that you get to. Some use what we call a standpipe, and that you fill until it starts to run out of that standpipe. And then some, we actually have to use, if I've got it here real quick, a universal dipstick that we stick down a tube and we measure how far the fluid is from the bottom of the pan. Now, manual transmissions all have a drain plug and a fill plug. Differentials have a fill plug. And so there is no such thing really as a sealed transmission. We just have to service them a little bit different than we used to. Hope this has answered your question. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.